A tornado warning for Hardy.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for western Hardy County in central Florida, north central DeSoto County in south central Florida, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northwest of Arcadia, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. For the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia, and coastal waters from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles.
Let's get this over with.
A tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hardy, Florida. The following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia, and coastal waters from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright, there we go, y'all. A tornado warning and then a tornado watch right after, or during.